Today I am going to discuss about AlmaLinux. It's an open source and forever free enterprise Linux distribution garnered and driven by community focused on long-term stability and robust production grade platform. See, now I just downloaded it, and here we can see ISO images. I'm going to click on it, OS 9.3 DVD ISO, and here we can see AlmaLinux 9.3 x86. It is showing 1 hour, just I completed it, and just now I downloaded Rufus and I'm going to insert in Rufus. I just drag and drop the ISO file of AlmaLinux into Rufus, and it has been started. Here we can see what I did is I just downloaded the ISO image and I just drag and drop in it, and it has been completed and restarted system. And here I'm going to welcome to AlmaLinux 9.3. I'm going to select the going to complete the installation process. I just selected hard disk, and here you can see preserve all, and here user setting, root password, user creation is the security profile, root password I selected, and startup interpret menu, Rocky Linux post, generic USB device, menu app, and here we can see Linux 8.5, yeah, and install AlmaLinux 8.5. I just selected it. Welcome to AlmaLinux English. I am selecting, and here on I just on internet Wi-Fi. Local host, local domain. Network and host name wide. Add keyboard layout. Which keyboard layout? Localization, software system, installation, source, local media, and here you can see language support is there, English United. I just selected installation, destination. Now we have to give the path, the destination, specialized and network disk, add a disk, storage configuration, automatic custom. I would like to make additional space available. Encryption, here we can see GB, okay, done. Reclaim space, installation option, cancel and add more disk. Current AlmaLinux software selection requires 18.17 GB of available space, including 2.66 for software. Okay, reclaim disk space, delete all. Here we are having two options, preserve all and delete all. Installation destination, install language support, software selection, time and date, minimal installation, custom operating system, standard system tool, Time and date we have to give. Security policy, no profile selected. Network and host name. Root password, here we'll give root password. Root account is used for administrating the system, entering password for root user. Confirm strong. Okay. User creation, full name, just will give the name and username. Make this user administrator. Password we have to give weak, good, strong. Okay, confirm password. Okay, hardware monitoring. Okay, base OS AlmaLinux, importing GPG key, user ID AlmaLinux package at the rate of AlmaLinux dot organization fingerprint. See here, it has been completed. Now here you can see typing English US I selected, Wi-Fi I selected, and privacy location service on. Allow application to determine your geographical location and indication to show. Okay, connect to your online account. You can select your connect to your account, easily access. You are ready to go. Start using AlmaLinux. Okay. So this is the AlmaLinux. Hope if video is somewhat good, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.